Hello my dear friend, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Okay friends, today we would go to discussion about the very important topic, that is that digestive system in human being. So let's look how it's happen and what is the definition of it. Okay, so first of all we would see the definition of digestive system. Digestive system, it is a process where highly particles of food materials it is converted or breaking down into small particles of nutrients, and these nutrients converted into energy, and this energy we would use this energy for the growth, for the development of our body, as well as cell repair. Now let's look how it's happen, how it's the mechanism of it. Okay, so first of all it's comprised two things. First of all alimentary canal, and second one is that what, gland system, which are participate into digestive system. Okay, so let's understand first of all the first thing, it is the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal involves many different labels, such as the your many organs involved in the alimentary canal, such as buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Let's look how it's happen. Now we would see in the gland system which are participate in digestive system. So let's look. First of all, in the salivary gland, in mouth cavity have present the salivary gland, and salivary gland, then liver, then pancreas. These are the gland which are participate in digestive system. One by one we would understand what is the important role play these gland in the digestive system. Okay, so let's look. Okay friends, let's understand the mechanism of digestive system in human being. Okay, so what we discussed earlier, in the alimentary canal many organs involved in digestive system, such as the buccal cavity. So and we would understand one by one. Okay, one by one. So first of all buccal cavity. Buccal cavity have salivary gland present in our mouth, and three saliva gland secreted three different kinds of the saliva. Many bacteria and fungus which are destroy, which are come with food in the mouth, and after that the food particles it is the going towards down towards, and through the esophagus or food pipe it's reached an stomach. It is a storage like bag where the food particle is stored. In the stomach many things such as digestive juice, HCLs are secreted. Why it's secreted, and what is the work of it in the digestive system's mechanism? HCl secreted but small quantity, and while digestive juice is also a small quantity, these are the play important role to destroy the fungus and bacteria in the storage. After this the odd food particles is going down, and it's reached the small intestine. Inside of the small intestine suckers like structures, and food materials have protein. You know very well the all food materials it is consist or compressed with the protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamin, these things. So during the passing down of food material in small intestine, these components of food it's observed by the suckers which are present inside, or which are seen inside of the small intestine pipe. You know, small intestine pipe, it is the 6 or 7 meter long. After complete the digestion of protein, carbohydrate, and fat, vitamins, observations by the suckers of small intestine, it is pushed towards the large intestine, and large intestine it's only work for the observation of water and minerals. After that, all waste material it reaches in rectum, and through anus it is the taking out of our body, and digestive system is complete, done. So how it's happen? What I am the saying definition of the digestive system? Digestive system, it is a process where the large particle of food material is converted or breaking down into small particles, such as carbohydrate breaking down and converted into sugar, protein breaking down and converted into the amino acid, and fat breaking down and converted into the fatty acid or glycerol. That is the reason we would saying that the definition of digestive system, it is a what? The breaking down of large particle into small particle. Thank you.